Sorry. Show your hands empty like that. If you show your hands empty at all times, the thumbs down on the side. Raise your right hand. Cross it over your left. One. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We have a special guest in the house today. So Anthony Silva, who's just going to raise a toast for today.
सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरो दीस दिव. चड करून ल्हान भुरग्यांक आमची सगळीं ल्हान भुरगीं आयिल्ली हांव रोनानाच्या नांवान वेस्टर्नान चड करून यशविना शी इज बीन माय फ्रेंड फॉर मोर देन 20 years and more than a friend there are family type of bonds. I'm so proud that today Rushton and Ashwini along with Ronan and his तेमी म्हाका एक संधी दिली की ह्या असल्या एक वातावरणान not because of maybe a starred hotel, not because holiday inn or something, but ह्या वातावरण when I say जेन्ना हांवें ल्हान भुरग्यांक पयली सगळीं आमची ल्हान ल्हान धाकटुली भुरगीं and I must also thank sisters and all the people who take care of such beautiful children. There's beauty in them. So before I start anything about the communion, I want to thank the Lord. देवाक पयले गुलो मागता आनी म्हणटा देवा तुका हांव आर्गां दिता कित्याक काय सोपुल्ल्या भुरग्यां मदें त्याच सोपुल्ल्या लोनाना मध्ये रावन म्हाका आयज ही संदी मेळ्ळी सांगपाचें ना कम्युनियनान पूण हांव सदांच म्हणटा जेन्ना जेन्ना हांव ग्लास म्हाज्या हातान धरता आय ऑलवेज से आय एम व्हेरी प्राउड एंड व्हेरी हॅपी टू टोस्ट or to attend any functions on christening, communion, confirmation and ordination. So आयज ही संदी दिली म्हणून तुमकां देव बरें करूं. हेलिकॉप्टर चलते हेलिकॉप्टरा वयर 5 आसताय चलयते कितू आसताय ते पाक्याक 3. It can be 2 also, but 3 is general perception. Today I'll make it a little interactive so that children can remember it for some time. Anybody heard about something called a Jesus nut? What is this Jesus nut? Helicopter oil for bank asadanu, the fan, blades. It is completely dependent on a nut which is called Jesus nut. If that nut fails, तो nut जरी तो fail झालो, the helicopter straight down. So then why was it called Jesus nut? They say if that nut fails, people will not get to say even hi and bye. The only word they can speak is Jesus. The only word. That is why it is called Jesus nut. So now why this Jesus nut story today? That nut is the whole bearing of the whole helicopter. And since that nut is called Jesus nut, I take these children as the helicopters. If burgi amgeli lan helicopter amgeli direction, it collapse atli. When they will collapse, if that Jesus nut fails. So Devan or Jesus nut mun amka in dhadla parents are. So here it is the duty of Rushton and his wife Ashwina. Here is the Jesus nut. If this helicopter has to land safely, who will be most responsible? Parents. Nut asota. What is the coupling part of the nut? Stud. What should be strong? The stud or the nut? Stud. Here comes the answer. But I expected it to be wrong because my perception was also like that. Not bolt. It is not. I I said Jesus nut. Nut is more powerful than this nut. Nut is more powerful. It has to have something called a tensile strength. It has to be very tough. And when this nut and the bolt, what you call stud, they need to go in accordance. And they need to go in accordance. The whole responsibility of the child getting directed and safe landing in this world of humanity and Christianity is the first is the parents. So with this, what is the most important in the helicopter now, you tell me? Jesus nut. So my toast is successful. I hope so. Thank you very much. Jesus nut. So who's the Jesus nut for you? Your parents. Done. The toast is complete. Okay? Thank you very much. Jesus nut. Just before I give. Usually these nuts may be costing, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees. What is the costliest nut you might have even imagined? 10,000? Chalo. Nut. This Jesus nut is one of the most costliest nut. It averagely costs around 30,000 rupees. Ek nut. So we should know the preciousness of this. Thank you very much, Devbari Guru, and thanks for this makers of this Holiday Inn staff and the management. It's a beautiful occasion for us. Thank you very much.
On behalf of my brother Anand, my sister Nalaya and my parents, Rastina and Ashmina, I would like to thank who have come from here to grace this occasion. Also, I would like to thank Sir Anthony for raising the toast.